Colon cancer cases are rising in younger adults across the country, and Mid-South doctors are telling us that early screenings can save lives. Tonight, we introduce you to a Memphis surgeon who's taking that message beyond the operating room and into the community. ABC 24's Alicia Renee reports.
Dr. Jesse Wright spends his days talking about something many people avoid discussing altogether, but for him, those conversations can change lives.
I'm Jesse Wright, and I'm a colorectal surgeon, and I treat both benign and malignant diseases of the colon, rectum, and anus, including colon cancer, rectal cancer, anal cancer, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, other inflammatory bowel diseases.
For the past 4 years in Memphis, Wright has helped patients navigate some of the most difficult moments they'll ever face.
So being able to meet a patient and walk them through this process of a new diagnosis of cancer and being able to offer them a surgical solution to those problems when indicated, that's great and very satisfying.
But he says the most rewarding part often comes years later.
It's the greatest thing ever is when I get cards and Christmas cards or small tokens of appreciation years later, a picture of someone's daughter who graduated high school saying that they were able to make that. To me, that's the most gratifying part of all of this is being able to say we made a true impact on not just one person's life, but an entire community's life.
That's one reason Dr. Wright spends so much time outside the hospital promoting colon cancer awareness and screenings across the Mid-South.
There has been an increased rate of young onset colorectal cancer. Colon and rectal cancer is both very treatable and preventable when people follow and adhere to the guidelines of getting your screening for your colonoscopy.
In recent years, major medical organizations lowered the recommended age for routine colonoscopy screenings from 50 to 45 because of that growing trend.
Guideline bodies have developed and lowered the screening age for colonoscopy from 50 to 45, and this was a big move.
Dr. Wright also partners with Baptist each March for colon cancer awareness events in Memphis and DeSoto County.
We have a giant inflatable colon that you can walk through as a very strange inflatable toy, so to speak, where it shows the pathologies above your head and educational information there.
On June 4th, Dr. Wright will also take part in the Rhythm of Life Cancer Survivor Celebration at Shelby Farms.
That's a very important thing for me is to be able to be in the community and talking with these patients about their experiences and celebrate their own process.
Dr. Wright says conversations about colonoscopies may never be comfortable, but they could save your life. In Memphis, I'm Alicia Renee, and that's how we celebrate Memphis.